Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're taking a look at 20 new Festool tools that have finally dropped. No hype, no fluff, just a clean walkthrough of what's new, what feels different, and why these additions might actually matter once you're in the shop or on the job. HKC 55K. The HKC 55K is a powerful cordless circular saw designed for flexible use on roofs, job sites, or in the workshop. It works with FSK and FS guide rails for fast angle cuts and precise straight cuts, while features like kickback stop, smooth plunge cutting, and thin kerf blades ensure safer handling, strong performance, and long battery life. The HLC82 is a compact cordless planer for quick adjustments on-site or in the workshop, handling chamfering, edge work, and rebates with ease. It offers up to 2.5 millimeters of chip removal and a 25 millimeter rebate depth. Its spiral blade provides a smooth finish, the integrated V-grooves make chamfering simple, and the dual extraction channels support continuous, heavy chip removal. The OFKC 500 is a cordless edge router designed for stable and tilt-free handling, thanks to its well-balanced center of gravity and slim shape. Its cordless drive provides flexible movement, while the precise depth adjustment accurate to 0.1 millimeter and the solid connection between the motor and the base ensure clean and accurate edge routing without the need for reworking. The MFKC 700 is a cordless edge router that lets you work cleanly around edges without cable interference. Its slim, well-balanced design provides stable guidance, and the quick change interface allows fast, tool-free swaps between router tables. It offers precise 0.1 millimeter depth adjustment, supports standard cutters up to 32 millimeters, and includes a hard fiber base and a wide 130 millimeter support for accurate results. The Festool Domino DF 500 joining machine streamlines joinery by creating precise mortises quickly and consistently using its unique oscillating cutting method. Paired with Domino tenons, which offer greater strength and a rotation-proof fit, it produces joints that outperform traditional dowels and biscuits. The CT MIDI AC is a compact mobile dust extractor designed for strong and consistent suction with its AUTOCL-EAN filter system, which keeps the main filter clear and reduces maintenance. Its lightweight and small size make it ideal for installation and service work, and features like the smooth hose and touch controls add convenience. The guide rail works with the Festool LR 32-hole drilling system to speed up building European-style 32mm cabinets. It allows fast and accurate alignment of shelf pinholes and 35mm hinge cups, and it integrates seamlessly with Festool routers, plunge saws, and jigsaws for greater versatility. The sanding pads are designed for efficient work on flat surfaces and narrow edges, offering a hard version that maintains stability and precision. They handle high temperatures well and use the Multi-Jet Stream 2 system for improved dust extraction and consistent sanding performance. The Rotary hammer drill is built for durability and heavy-duty use, powered by a brushless EC Tech motor and a pneumatic hammer mechanism that delivers 2.6 joules of impact energy for fast drilling. It switches quickly between hammer drilling, standard drilling, screw driving, and chiseling, and the SDS Plus chuck changes to a keyless chuck within seconds. The Insulating-material saw is designed for fast and efficient cutting of mineral fiber, natural fiber, and PUR insulation on roofs, scaffolding, and floors. Its lightweight, well-balanced build allows comfortable, low-fatigue work, even one-handed. It handles thick insulation easily while letting you adapt quickly to different materials. The XO18 Exo-active exoskeleton provides powered support for overhead and wall work, reducing fatigue and long-term physical strain. Its active 18-volt system boosts endurance and concentration. With 3 working zones and 5 levels of adjustable assistance to match the task, it goes on like a backpack, adjusts easily to individual body sizes, and offers full freedom of movement. Festool RS-C18 cordless reciprocating saw is built for fast, powerful, and reliable cutting, driven by a brushless ECTEC motor and a switch-activated pendulum stroke. Its low vibration level keeps the saw steady and directs the power into the blade rather than your arms. The Festool TID18 impact driver delivers strong, long-lasting performance with its robust hammer mechanism and brushless EC-Tech motor. Its compact ergonomic design makes work in tight areas easier while reducing fatigue, and the kickback-free action protects your wrist. The SYS-PowerStation is a mobile high-performance energy storage unit that delivers reliable power anywhere, removing the need for outlets, generators, or site distribution boards. It supplies 2,990 watts of continuous output and up to 11,000 watts for short bursts, enough to run even demanding tools like extractors, large saws, and hammer drills without performance loss. The QUADRIVE percussion drill delivers strong performance with its brushless EC-Tech motor, 4-speed metal gearbox, an optional axial impact function for drilling into masonry. It covers everything from high-torque screw driving at 60 Newton meters to precise drilling at 3,800 revolutions per minute, and the FastFix interface allows quick, tool-free changes between attachments. The diamond cutting system captures over 95% of dust with its integrated extraction attachment, making it ideal for clean indoor cutting of mineral materials. The attachment keeps the cutting line visible and opens easily for working right up to edges, while the fully enclosed motor design and sealed electronics ensure long-lasting durability. The Freehand cutting system is designed for clean indoor work, directing most of the generated dust straight into a connected extractor for noticeably cleaner cutting of mineral materials. Its open front attachment keeps the marking line easy to follow and can be swung open when you need to cut right up to an edge. The Syslite DUO delivers bright, even area lighting with its unique 180-degree LED layout, producing a daylight-like color that illuminates spaces uniformly rather than creating a single hotspot. It can be paired with a sturdy tripod to reach working heights up to 2 meters and is built for durability with long LED life, shock-absorbing corners, and cylinder storage. The Oscillator is an 18-volt multi-tool for notches, cutouts, and plunge cuts in wood, composites, plasterboard, plastics, and non-ferrous metals. It runs at 10,000 to 19,500 oscillations per minute with a 2x2 degree angle and uses a Starlock Max holder compatible with Starlock Plus and Starlock accessories. The one-handed planer is lightweight at 2.7 kilograms and easy to control thanks to its soft grip surfaces, clear depth adjustment, and non-slip housing. Its quiet spiral blade delivers clean results with up to 4 millimeters of planing depth and 23 millimeters of rebate depth for fast, flexible work. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. If you want more real-world tool breakdowns and first looks without the noise, make sure to stick around because there's a lot more coming your way.